Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get free Roblox item using Google Play Point. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Google Play Points lets you earn rewards from purchases made in the Google Play Store. These rewards include store credit, an-app item, and discount coupon. For example, if you buy any of our favorite Android apps on the Play Store, you'll earn minimum of 1 play point for each $1 spent. So what if you want to get a free Roblox item using this play point? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Google Play Store. So in here, you can check your play point in here. This one, you can select on your Google Play point. So in here, I have 2,785 points, and I want to redeem this point to Roblox item. So you can select on use. Select on use. After that, here's Roblox. You can search for the category, all category, your apps and games. So you can choose on Roblox, and in here you can choose on the items that you want to redeem with. Like here you can redeem or use your point to buy cyber optics, super glasses, or tropical floaty cap, or seaside sun hat, mega Robux backpacks. For example, I want to get this tropical floaty cap. You can select on the item. You can tap in here, select in here. So your balance, here's your play point balance, and here's you can use your point like this. It's processing. Now you have successfully redeemed the Google Play point with the item. You can just open the apps. You can check on your account. You can check on your account. You can go to your avatar, customize, and search for the item that you just get. It's very simple, right? So that is how to get free item from Roblox using Google Play Point. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.